Good evening, everyone. Tonight, I will be sharing on the life of Peter. We can see from his encounter with Jesus Christ the three dimensions. Number one dimension, the revelations of Christ. Number two, the prophetic voice. Number three, the apostolic response. Number one dimensions, the revelations of Christ in the life of Peter. In the Gospel of Luke chapter 5 verse 1 to 11, Jesus told Simon to cast his net again after a night of catching nothing. Suddenly, the net filled with fish. Peter fell before Jesus and said, "Depart from me, Lord, for I am a sinful man." Here we can see the revelations of Christ in the life of Peter. Letter A, Christ was revealed as Jehovah Jireh. Jesus provided the material need of Peter. In a miraculous way, he catch nothing on his own, but after obeying Jesus, his net were filled with fish. Peter realized that Jesus is the owner of all fish in the sea. For me, God's own everything and we own nothing. Peter also sensed that Jesus is not an ordinary man. He sees Jesus as a holy, righteous, an extraordinary man. He fell down and called Jesus Lord. Second dimensions, the prophetic voice in the life of Peter. In the Gospel of Luke chapter 5 verse 10, "From now on, you are not fishermen anymore, but fisher of men." In the Gospel of Matthew chapter 16 verse 18 says, "On this rock I will build my church." So Peter was not only an ordinary fisher of men, but he is also called to lead men of God. In the Gospel of John chapter 21 verse 15 to 17 says, "Feed my lambs, shepherd my sheep." The third dimensions, the apostolic response in the life of Peter. And now we can come to the apostolic response of Peter. In the Gospel of Luke chapter 5 verse 1 to 11, he left everything and followed Jesus Christ as disciple. In the Gospel of John chapter 21 verse 15 to 17, his apostolic response was, "Yes, Lord," and he followed all the command of the Lord Jesus Christ. "Take care and feed my sheep." Also in Acts chapter 2, Peter stood up and preached boldly to the crowd, and 3,000 souls received his message and were baptized on that day. Thank you for listening to the three dimensions. Number one, revelations of Christ. Number two, the prophetic voice. And number three, the apostolic response in the life of Peter. I would like to thank you for the Voice of Truth, the management, and especially for Reverend Pastor Sunny Wong and the administrator, Pastor Pibri, and the rest of the team, and all the students and pastors, my fellow workers in the Lord. I thank you so much for bearing with me and listening this message. It's my great honor and privilege, an opportunity and chance to share with you what I learned from the Voice of Truth. Thank you so much once again. God bless us all.